I just picked up this really cool charger for my Apple Watch, and I hope it works out well because I have one of these already, but it's USB-A, and more I'm trying to convert over to USB-C. I actually vastly prefer Lightning, but everything is going USB-C, so I don't really have a choice. So let's go ahead and open this live and see what we think of it. I'm mostly concerned about how the magnet sticks because a lot of these little chargers, the magnets don't stick very well. They're fine. You just have to be sure that you're using them in the proper position in order for them to work. It does come with a USB-C to USB-A adapter, so I can use it both ways. So that's pretty cool as well. And look at this. It's a wee little guy. I can get this open. Defeated by plastic wrap. Okay, here we go. This is the charger and pops right into my USB-C port there, and I don't see any visual indicators of charging on it, so we'll just have to know from the watch. But here's the moment of truth. How does this work with my... I kind of don't want to drop this on anything hard. Well, let's give it a try. Oh, let's put this. There we go. I got a little pad. All right, moment of truth. I'm going to put this on the magnet and see how well it sticks, because usually they don't stick very well. So yeah, you can see under its own weight, it's not really hanging on there. So that's pretty much what I expected. So because it doesn't really stick that way, you're probably going to need to make sure that you charge it in a USB-C port that is flat like that. And there we go. Charging great. It does say that it's a 2.5 watt charger, so you're not going to get super fast charging out of it, but it's a nice small size, and I'm going to keep this in a car for emergencies, or maybe in my travel bag to, no, I think I have another one that I'm going to stick in my travel bag. So I'm going to keep this in like my glove box in case I end up staying out later than I expect or not coming home for a day or so. I can't think of anything in my life that would cause me to not come home for a day or so, but you never know. So it'll be handy for my USB-C charging. So there you go. It's a cool little form factor. As long as you keep in mind that you're going to need to charge it flat, you're golden. And I hope this helps.